Hey, what's up guys, Winston here, and I've just received my iPhone 13 Pro in the gold. It's a 256 gig version, and we'll be doing a quick unboxing. Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a gold version, 256 gig. Let's have a look inside the box. Okay, here we have the phone itself with the nice 3 cameras. Let's see inside, see what else you got. We also have a lightning cable for charging. It's a lightning connector on one end, and you also get the USB-C, which connects into your computer or your charger. And then you also have just a little kind of instruction booklet here. You have the pin for your SIM card extractor there. Some information about the iPhone, a nice iPhone or Apple sticker, and that is it. No charger, so Apple have removed the charger from the packaging, and that's all you get. It's just this package here with the charging cable, and that is it. Let's take a look at the phone itself in more detail. Right, here we have the iPhone 13 Pro. This is the 256 gig gold version, and it comes with a nice lenses there, 3 of them as usual. And on the side we have the actual SIM card slot, which you can then use the extractor then to put your dual SIMs in here. Volume up and down, and of course the silent switch there. On the other side we have the power button. Alright, let's peel this off, take a closer look. Alright, here we go. And let's push the power button on. As you can see, it's loading up. So this new phone comes with a 6.1-inch screen with ceramic shield. It's powered by the new A15 Bionic chip, and it features 6 cores, CPU cores, 2 performance cores, and 4 efficiency cores. It also has a 5-core GPU and a faster 16-core neural engine. It's also IP68 water resistance, and of course 5G ready. The storage size available include 128 gig, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte options. And let's have a look at the camera feature. Of course, it comes with the 3 lenses. There's a new macro camera feature which allows you to take close-up photo shots from 2 centimeters away, so that's pretty decent. And it also comes with a larger and faster sensor with 3 optical zoom on the telephoto and 6 optical zoom for the other lenses. It also has a better low light feature and better night mode for allowing more light. So you could take pictures in the evening and get some fantastic shots. The best feature, what I like about this new phone, is the new cinematic mode for shooting 4K video with autofocus as well. You also get the Smart HDR4 and ProMotion with refresh rates from 60 to 120 Hz. So it's got a nice fast screen as well. And of course, they've been promoting, of course, battery life, and battery life lasts 1.5 hours more, which I can't really tell you until actually I load this up. But yeah, so it does feel very nice in the hand. The screen looks fantastic. It does have a nice solid feel, the iPhone 13 Pro. I love the gold color. We'll be using the iPhone 13 Pro to do a lot of the filming in the new cinematic mode. I want to see how it looks and feels, and of course this is the new iPhone 13 Pro with the new lenses and the fantastic colors, as well as the new sizes, 128 gig, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. And there you have it. There's a quick unboxing of the iPhone 13 Pro. It's a great phone for all you Apple fans out there, and it's perfect for people like me who wants to film in cinematic mode. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a like and leave a comment down below. Don't forget, you can actually buy this in the Apple Store. And of course, don't forget to visit our website for more news, reviews, and hot tips. Oh yeah, hit the subscribe button for more. Until next time, this is Winston for Funkykit.com.